Welcome to Millionaire Mindset, where we give you ways and advice to achieve financial freedom. Today, we will show you how to listen to Spotify music and get paid. Throughout this video, we'll walk you through setting up your free Spotify account on your phone, computer, or maybe both. Then we'll lead you through this new website that can pay you for listening to music. We've never seen anyone in the history of YouTube talk about this before, so make sure to pay attention and learn everything. Spotify Music is one of the largest platforms that allows you to search for and to listen to various types of music. And now there's a great opportunity that could earn you money online simply by listening to the platform. And it doesn't matter if you're from India, the Philippines, the United States, or any other country. The good news is that you can cash out your earnings quickly. You can earn $260, $460, or even a hefty amount of over $900. You can do this as many times as you like. You don't even need to refer anyone on this platform, and you don't need any money to get started because this is entirely free. All you need is a phone or a computer, so make sure to stick around and watch this video all the way through. Without further ado, let's jump right into it. First, we will show you the earning potential on this website. You can get up to 800 pounds, which is equivalent to over 1,000 US dollars. So we now proceed with the steps. You start by going to open.spotify.com. If you have an Android phone, you can also search for Spotify on the Google Play Store. If this is your first time using Spotify, you must first create a free account. You can simply click on the link and then the sign up for free button to get to the registration page. You can either sign up using a Facebook account or your email address. After that, put in a password and then give your profile username, which can be whatever you want. It will also ask your date of birth and your gender. Then click on I'm not a robot. Hopefully, your registration is successful. You may now go into Spotify account and see your profile. You will notice that there's so much music to listen to on Spotify, and it is divided into so many different categories. So for example, if you want to listen to a particular song, you can just click on the image and it will play automatically. You can also click on the play button. Another thing we'll show you is that you can create a playlist on the app. Just click on the button that says Create Playlist. Essentially, you can become a music curator from this new website by listening to music and creating a playlist from Spotify. When you've arranged all of your music into a playlist, you can submit them to this website. You will see on this website what you will get for every song playlist you submit. Basically, the more playlists you submit, the more money you'll earn. If you make 200 submissions only, they will not pay you. But if you complete at least 200 submissions, you will start earning money on this platform. The website says that the highest earning is 2,500 submissions. You can make up to 800 pounds, which again converts to over 1,000 US dollars. And you can just repeat this process over and over again. This website is called musicgateway.com. It is a brand new website that is super exciting and super beginner friendly that anyone can do by simply listening to music. One thing to keep in mind is that this could be a somewhat tricky sign-up process. We'll teach you how to fill out all of the forms, so stick around and watch to the end to avoid missing out on these critical details. If you're now onto the website, you can look for any button that says Join for free. Simply click on this button and it will take you to the main registration page. The top of the page should say Curator, Influencer, and Playlist Submission Application. When you scroll down below, you'll see the question, Are you a Spotify curator? As you can see, we're going to concentrate on Spotify in this video. Scroll down once again to see the whole form. The first thing you can do is enter your email address in the first box and then the curator name, which is your complete name, in the second box. And then we'll focus on Spotify from there. You can simply click on Spotify because it'll be the quickest way to get started. If you scroll down again, you'll see a text box that says link to a playlist channel, station, or blog. In a moment, we'll teach you how to do it on Spotify and how to grab your playlist link and paste it right here on this box to apply for an account. On the following text box, it says, roughly how many entries do you receive each week? Remember that you must have at least 200 submissions to get paid. When answering these questions, it'll depend on how much time you have, how hard you work, how many songs you want to listen to, and how many playlists you wish to submit. If you're going to make it a full-time income, I recommend making 1,000 submissions. The following section is where you decide what genre you accept, such as pop, dance, hip-hop, rock, jazz, soul, and etc. The more categories you have, the more money you can make on this website. Next, follow Music Gateway on Instagram. It's a question where you can just say no because it doesn't matter. And finally, with the question, do you want to become a Music Gateway member or guest? Choose Music Gateway member and simply enter your name and your country. You can choose from any country because they accept people worldwide. Simply enter your username and password, then click the submit button. So that's essentially all you have to do to create a free account and submit your application. Once this website has approved you, you can now begin listening to music and submitting your playlist to earn money. But first, we'll go to an essential step. Return to Spotify app on your phone or computer, where you'll discover different kinds of music you can combine into various playlists. Look at their multiple categories relevant to Music Gateway, such as pop music. Then, on the Spotify app, select the search button to find pop songs. If you click on See All, you'll be able to find hundreds of thousands of pop songs. Next, create a whole new playlist. After clicking the Create Playlist button, it will automatically give your playlist a name such as Pop Genre. Now you've successfully created a new Spotify playlist. You can add different music from this genre to your playlist for the time being. But one of the most incredible Spotify features is that it will automatically recommend other songs based on the playlist name. So you should click the add button for all of the music listed under recommendations to put them all in your playlist. Now you can submit the playlist to the website by simply clicking on the Join Library. That's one submission right there. Keep in mind that you'll need more than 200 to get paid, and you'll have to spend a considerable amount of time listening to different music and creating a playlist for submissions. The last thing we'd like to show you is how to pull a link from your playlist. So when you click on the three dot icon on the playlist page, you can see that you can easily copy its link. That's all you have to do. You can just repeat the process by searching for and creating different playlists. Now you know how to earn money online by simply listening to music. That's for our tutorial today. Again, this is different from most of our uploads. Please tell us in the comment section below if you like this kind of content. Join us again in Millionaire Mindset for another round of tips in achieving your financial freedom. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.